saw this collection first launch, I was like, hold on. This is the cutest collection I've ever seen, and I have to get my hands on everything. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, my name is GraceHaymberg, and today I'm going to show you guys the full review on Pur Cosmetics times Barbie. So this video will basically be a get ready with me from the start. Stay tuned to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much. Enjoy this video. The first product that I'm going to be reviewing today is the Glittery Pink Brightening Peel Off Mask. And I'm going to be applying it with this flat foundation brush. And I'm just going to be squeezing it on my brush like this. So now that I have the face mask applied, I'm going to wait 15 minutes until I can peel it off. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. Now I can start peeling the face mask off my face. If you have sensitive skin, I would be careful because it is a peel off mask. So it is a little bit more abrasive than just a regular cream mask that you would use a washcloth and warm water to wash it off with. And I put a pretty thin layer on there, so ooh, that's a little bit rough. Okay, so I finished peeling off the face mask. It is really cute and it's pink and sparkly, but I wouldn't recommend this as a must-have product. It's kind of fun if you are a collector and want a Barbie hot pink face mask. Now I'm gonna get dressed and get ready to put on my full face of makeup. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, the next step I'm gonna do is apply my face moisturizer. This is Chemin Amour. So I just take a little bit and moisturize my face before applying my makeup. Then I'm going to apply Touch in Sol No Problem Prime Essence Oil. This just preps the skin and fills any pores. Then I'm going to use the Forever Flawless Complexion Brush. This is like one of those toothbrush face brushes. My foundation on my face, and I'm using Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Pearl, and then I'm just going to use this foundation brush and blend in the foundation throughout my face. Apply my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Neutral under my eyes and any areas of my face that I want highlighted. Then I'm going to apply my favorite translucent powder. This is Airspun Loose Face Powder in Translucent. And I don't drag the product, I just pat it into the skin. Then I'm going to quickly do my brows off camera. I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Blonde. And then for my eyeshadow base, I'm going to use MAC's Paint Pot in Painterly all over the lid. I'm going to use Luxie's 246 Precision Crease Brush to apply this eyeshadow base. This is the Barbie's Endless Possibilities eyeshadow palette. This is the package that it comes in, and it shows you all the colors on the back of the box. I am so excited for this palette. You have to see the packaging. It's amazing. It's like this beautiful crystal packaging. And the colors, I mean, come on. Everything about the packaging is on point. Even this little eyeshadow protector, it says never lose your sparkle. And these are the beautiful colors. They're so vibrant and fun. I'm really excited to use this blue shade. And I'm just gonna do some swatches on my arm of each color. This is the champagne color called Fantasy. This is the matte brown shade called Role Model. Next is this beautiful gold shade called Empowered. Here's the matte brown shade called Vintage. This is the second row, the first color called Pretty in Pink. It's a kind of ballerina slipper pink. The next shade is a pink glitter called Dollhouse. And then here's one of my favorites, the hot pink matte shade called Barbie. And then that last color from the second row is that periwinkle blue shimmering color called Ken. And oh my gosh, this color is going to be perfect for the holidays. This is called Accessory. It's like a multicolored rainbow glitter. It's so pretty. Then the next color is a magenta purple called Fashionista. And then this is a purple amethyst color called Dreamtopia. And the last color is a shimmering black color called 1959. So here are what the colors look like swatched. For the first step for my eye look, I'm going to use NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I'm going to use the end of a small eyeshadow brush right here in my inner corner, and then just blend out with my finger. Do the same on the other side. Then I'm going to line my waterline. And I'm going to take this fluffy angled brush by Luxie in that cream shimmer shade called Fantasy in my inner corner. And I'm also going to use that same color on my brow bone. So for this look, I'm going to be doing a pink look. Surprise, surprise. I'm going to do an M441 blending brush by Morphe. I'm going to go in with that satin pink shade called Pretty in Pink right in my crease. And I want to show you guys, I lightly put in the brush. The eyeshadows do kind of have a little bit of give, but the color payoff is still really good. I don't know if that bothers you if you put your brush in the pan and it kind of fluffs out the eyeshadow. Then with this flat eyeshadow blender brush, I'm going to go in with that matte pink shade called Barbie. I'm going to put that all over the lid and blend up towards my crease. As you can see, there's quite a bit of fallout that comes off. I'll just use a powder brush to flick that off very lightly and carefully. And I'm just going back with that blending brush we used Pretty in Pink with and just blending out those edges. And with my finger, I'm going to go in with that pink glitter shade, pat it right on my lid. Then I'm going to go in with that periwinkle blue shade called Ken, and I'm going in with the Luxie 141 mini round brush, and placing that right on my lower lash line. And I'm kind of winging it outwards. And then for my eyeliner, I'm going to use NYX Final Liquid Eyeliner. It's one of my favorite brush tip liquid eyeliners. And I'm going to do a winged cat eye look. Then I'm going to put on some mascara. This is Tarte's Big Ego Mascara. I'm going to first curl my lashes, then apply the mascara. Then I'm going to take the Barbie doll lash, and they're so beautiful. I love the packaging. Everything about this whole collection, the packaging is so cute. So with eyelashes, I always just measure it to the eye before I actually put glue on the band, because I usually have to trim them. And I usually do a little bit from the front of the lash band. And I'm going to take my favorite lash glue by Duo, and I just put a little bit of glue on the band of the lash. And I always bend it while it's becoming a little bit dry. Then I apply the lashes with a pair of tweezers. Okay, wow. These lashes will definitely give you doll eyes. And now for face makeup, I'm going to be using Maybelline's bronzer and contour powder in the shade 200, and it's the City Bronzer, with my Luxie 512 small contouring brush. And I do my jawline, forehead, and temples. And then I'm going to use this RL Moda powder brush and just blend this powder down my neck. Next, I'm going to do my nose contour. I'm going to take this Alamar brush, and I'm just going to lightly contour my nose. And for blush, I'm going to be using Milani's Romantic Rose with my Morphe R10 blush brush. And I apply it right on the apples of the cheek and blend upwards. They did come out with a highlighter. It's the Barbie Dream Glow. It has the same beautiful packaging like the eyeshadow palette. There's a sparkly light pink color, a rose gold color in the middle, and then a gold color. Then, before I put on my highlight, I'm going to put the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist on my face. And while that setting spray is a little bit damp, I'm going to take the Morphe M510 highlighting brush. I'm just going to swirl it around the highlighter and highlight my cheekbones. I'm going to take a little bit down the bridge of my nose and onto the tip of my nose, and a bit on my Cupid's bow. And then I'm going to go in with just that light pink shade. I'm going to top off that highlight. I'm going to spray my face one more time with the setting spray mist. I have all 4 shades of the lipstick, and I have the gloss. And I'm going to swatch each one for you on my lips. So for the first iconic lipstick shade, these are semi-matte lipsticks. This first shade is called Classic. First, I want you guys to look at this lipstick bullet. It has a gradient rose gold pink, and how you actually disperse the lipstick is you press this button at the top and the lipstick comes out from the bottom. And you guys have to see how beautiful these lipsticks are. They have this beautiful shimmery sparkle coating on top. I decided I'm going to use a small little lip liner brush to get the edges. One thing that I really wish is that sparkle coating on the lipstick would actually go on to the lipstick. It's just for decoration, but this lipstick is just so satisfying to look at and really a beautiful formula. It's so smooth. The next iconic lipstick shade is called Inspire. It's this gorgeous purpley shade. Have to layer it on. If it gets patchy, you just kind of have to dab the lipstick over it. The next iconic lip shade is going to be called Timeless. This is more of like a pink berry shade. And last but not least, I think I saved the best lipstick shade for last. This is a Barbie hot pink shade called Legendary. Then we have the Barbie Girl Gloss. It's kind of like a champagne glitter gloss, and it comes with a doe foot applicator. And I'm just going to take my Luxie 245 small shader brush and take the lip gloss off of the doe foot applicator. Okay, and that's the finished look. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. Overall, for you guys, I would recommend definitely getting the eyeshadow palette, Iconic Lip, and the Gloss Girl Gloss to go on top. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends. And turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next post. I post once a week. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Until next time.